at that.
Might be the big one.
Oh.
Now we got 8 fish.
No, it's fighting really hard, huh? It's already here.
And we got 8
Look at
fish. I'm counting now.
Oh. That's a nice one, huh?
Yeah, average one, yeah.
We got 8 fish.
Adam, put us in gear, turn us to the right there, away from the shore a bit.
Some of them are right, white, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh.
This one talks.
Ew. Ooh.
Not bad, huh?
Well, just through the lip here, I think you'll be okay. Phosphate, pass the Abbey. Yeah, he wasn't gonna let go, that's for sure.
There you go.
He talks.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was quite hungry.
Talking trout. That one.
Okay, this one's on video. Okay, taking a video.
You gotta hold them. You gotta hold all of them. Nice fish.
You don't like this boat, or that's what this is?
Good fishing.
That's what it's all about.
How much does it weigh?
7 pounds.
Adam, 8 pounds?
There you go. That's a cough.